All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you, so we're doing a security upgrade on this beautiful 2022 Silverado Black Widow edition. So this is amazing in this battleship gray with the decals. It's got, you know, and this is all basically a factory option with the wheels, bumpers, lights. These are amazing vehicles, and so we're going to do everything we can to protect it, because obviously this truck stands out and you definitely want to do something to protect the vehicle. So we ended up the client ended up going with a T13 two-way remote. So this is nice because it allows you to see everything that's going on with the vehicle. This is their IP67 rated remote, so basically it's water resistant. It also has a 3-mile range, and the nice thing is it has proximity. Now, the nice thing about that is basically if you have an older vehicle, this would allow you to have proximity where you walk up and the alarm disarms and the doors unlock, and you walk away and you can actually make it so that it would arm and lock the vehicle as well. The client also opted for drone mobile. So the nice thing about that, the other thing that we love to do is we like to do the drone X1 Max. The nice thing about having the X1 Max is that it has a backup battery. So even if the thieves think that they're gonna get around the system, the unit will still transmit for 3 hours after they disconnect, if they happen to disconnect the battery or do anything like that. So the nice thing about that is it's really cheap insurance to protect such a beautiful truck. All right, so one of the things that we like to do is we love to use T-harnesses. So one of the major benefits of using a T-harness is we don't have to splice into any of the wires. So a lot of times we get clients that are worried about voiding their warranties, especially on brand new vehicles. So the benefit of using a T-harness is we don't cut any wiring. It literally, everything is plug and play. And then we just secure all the equipment, run all the components, and I mean, it's as factory as possible. The nice thing is if there ever is an issue or a problem, we can literally bring the car back in, unplug everything, put everything back to factory, and return it to the dealer, and they would never know we were there because none of the wires have been cut, soldered, taped, nothing. I mean, it literally would look exactly as if it came from the dealership itself. That's one of the huge benefits of using a T-harness over cutting and splicing. Now, that's not available for every vehicle, but on the vehicles that it is available for, we like to use it as a standard. And again, that's just to protect the integrity of the vehicle and the installation. Right. So another thing that you can do is on this particular truck, you can pop the tailgate. So all you do is hold down the unlock button, open trunk, bam, trunk opens. The other nice thing on this remote, you're also able to change the image. So if you can see, we changed it to a pickup. So now it's a pickup truck as opposed to you can go from a sedan to a pickup to an SUV. So we changed it so it matches the vehicle.